Installing a new door may seem like a straightforward home improvement project, but in Conshohocken homes, where architecture ranges from historic row houses to modern townhomes, even small mistakes can lead to big problems. A poorly installed door can cause drafts, security issues, moisture damage, and higher energy bills. Whether you're replacing an entry door, patio door, or interior door, avoiding these common installation mistakes can save you time, money, and frustration. Incorrect measurements from the start. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make is inaccurate measuring. Doors are not one size fits all, and Conshohocken homes often have older framing that isn't perfectly square. Measuring only once, ignoring frame irregularities, or assuming standard sizes can result in doors that don't fit properly. A door that's too tight may stick or warp, while one that's too small can leave gaps that invite drafts and pests. Ignoring door level and plumb. A door must be level and plumb to operate correctly. Skipping this step can lead to doors that swing open or closed on their own, rub against the frame, or fail to latch securely. In older Conshohocken properties, settling foundations make this especially important. Proper shimming and alignment are essential to ensure smooth operation and long-term durability. Poor sealing and insulation. Another costly mistake is inadequate sealing around the door frame. Without proper weather stripping, caulking, and insulation, air leaks can form, making your home less energy efficient. This is particularly noticeable during Pennsylvania's cold winters and humid summers. Poor sealing not only increases heating and cooling costs but can also allow moisture to seep in, leading to mold or wood rot over time. Using the wrong door for the location. Choosing the wrong door type for the installation area can shorten its lifespan. Exterior doors must withstand temperature changes, moisture, and direct sunlight, while interior doors are not built for these conditions. Some homeowners attempt to cut corners by installing lower-grade doors outside, which often results in warping, cracking, or peeling finishes within a short period. Improper hardware installation. Door hardware installation is often overlooked, but incorrect placement of hinges, locks, or strike plates can compromise both security and usability. Misaligned hardware can prevent doors from closing fully or locking properly, an issue no homeowner wants. In busy Conshohocken neighborhoods, secure and properly installed entry doors are especially important for peace of mind. Skipping structural checks. Before installing a new door, the surrounding frame and wall structure should be inspected. Installing a door into a damaged or rotting frame can lead to ongoing issues, even if the door itself is high quality. Many older homes in Conshohocken have hidden wood damage that needs repair before a new door is installed. Without experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, door installation is not always beginner-friendly. Small errors during installation often don't show up immediately but become costly repairs months later. Homeowners sometimes underestimate the tools, time, and expertise required to install doors correctly, especially exterior or custom doors. Why professional installation makes a difference. Avoiding these common mistakes often comes down to experience and attention to detail. Professional door installers understand local housing styles, climate challenges, and building standards in Conshohocken. A properly installed door improves energy efficiency, enhances curb appeal, boosts security, and provides long-lasting performance. For Conshohocken homeowners, investing in expert door installation isn't just about convenience. It's about protecting your home and ensuring comfort for years to come. A door is more than an entryway. It's a critical part of your home's safety, efficiency, and style.